Hello everybody, this is Eagle Gaming TV. We are updating now the SM City Eagle 2, SM City Central, and SM City New Eagle. So guys, I'm being back now for 2 weeks because I'm working for this my job. So I will show you the road. It's now currently finished, and now it's now updating our city. No, it's not finished yet, the road. Because the road from the SM, it's now half now because it's little now easy. Now we have no road, but I need two constructions. So I want to you. I don't know where grand opening is this because I don't know. Maybe if it finish this in June 1, maybe June 2. If it finish in June 2, maybe June 3 because it's anniversary of SM City Eagle in June 3. So it's not June 3 now because it's June 1 and today if you 2 days na lang bago mag-anniversary ang SM ko yung ginawa ko noong Tagalog version to, Tagalog ko to. Tapos may English pa nga. Lakasan ko muna yung pagbibinta. Now, it's now been 2 weeks ago. I did not post, but I posted now. Use this sound because I now not getting subscribed, but only 1 plus. Ano na yan na boroy. So today, we have now updated our parking lot. Now, we have now the roof of this because it looks like the entrance. So it's now today it's now updated. This is not crosswalk, it's it's motor parking. So today, and this is now more na ito, more Tagalog na ako, napakahirap. And we have now IITX. It looks like PTEX because I need to made it because I am now seeing the many favorite. So I made this. It's not open yet because it's construction site. They said it looks like a mall, but no. Because it's a terminal exchange like PTEX in Parañaque City. I go in Bicol because I am not Bicolano, but I am half because my mom is Bicolano. My dad and my sister is Filipino, not Filipino pala. Yung mama ko kasi Bicolano yun. Bicolano, kaya marunong na ako mag-Bicolano. Kasi ako bumili ng nagbili lang ako ng sino dyan Bicolano, mag-follow lang ha. Kasi Bicolano kayo, di ba? Sige guys, gagawa tayo ng parking. Kaya kasi gusto ko kasi babalikan ang mga malls na magkatabi. Hindi naman ito annex yung SM City Central. Kasi kailangan sila magkaroon ng 2 malls. Project ko lang ito, yung pina-project na. Tignan nyo na yung update to. Wala pa yung napapa-apply dito guys. Hindi na, bawal naman to mag-join. Private lang ito, hindi kayo makaka-join. So guys, sa sunod na lang ng part. Bye bye!